Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdek. I am Chimthanawala. I would like to share some of the symptom of a case that came to me. It was a very simple case, but came from a lot of other practitioners who had treated him without relief, and then he came to me. In fact, when he came to me also, I felt that such a simple complaint, how come it is not cured till date? He complained about cramps in the legs, in the calf especially. So he used to tell, sir, whenever I am walking, there is cramps in the legs. Sometimes I am sitting also, there is cramps in the legs. And the cramps are very they are very painful. I cannot work if there are cramps. And sometimes the cramps in the legs are also severe. I cannot walk. So various investigations were done of the patient, and all the reports, all the electrolytes absolutely normal. There was no problem, but still the patient suffered from this symptom of cramps. He had taken a lot of other medicines. He said, sir, till I take the medicine it is better, but with taking medicines also sometimes I get cramps. I said, anything else, anywhere else you get the cramps? He said, sir, there is sometimes contractions of the muscles. Sometimes the contraction of tendons also in the hands and all, and the contraction is in the thumb, in the fingers, in everywhere there is contraction. There is pain everywhere. There is contraction feeling there. So I said, how is the contraction? He said, sir, there is a lot of pain. There is a lot of pain, and I cannot describe the type of pain. Sometimes the pain is severe, sometimes it is not severe, but it is causing a problem. Sometimes suddenly a cramp and contraction, the muscles come, and I cannot write also. So this was a symptom of the patients. Everywhere contraction, cramps, spasms in the muscles, in the tendons, and this was the case. I asked him other symptoms also. He said everything is fine. Thirst, urine, stools, everything was fine. Rest, everything was fine. Now, I said, any other symptom you suffer from? He said, sir, sometimes I have headache, but that is not so important. So forget my headache. I said, no, please tell me about a headache. So it said, whenever I eat something narcotic, sometimes I have a habit of sometimes taking a narcotic, and when I take that, I get severe headache. Otherwise, there is no headache, so I have stopped taking narcotics. These were the symptoms of the patient. So a very short case, but still very irritating because he was not getting cured. And I also had prescribed few drug remedies, but it did not work. So when I again called him and sat with him for some time, these were the most important symptom I found to prescribe. Now, if you repetize this symptom, you convert this first into the repertory form and then prescribe, you get a very, very rare remedy that comes into a repertory chart. First of all, you have to decide what symptom to take for repetization. So the symptom which the patient was telling was cramps in the legs, cramps in the calf, cramps in the fingers. Then I asked him that he had that contraction in the muscles and tendons of the hands and fingers, and also asked how does it start? So he said that the contraction of the muscles and tendons, it is in the fingers first and then in the thumb. So this was the symptoms I took for prescription, that is contractions of the muscles and tendons of fingers first, thumb, contraction of fingers, cramps in the legs, cramps in the calf. One symptom of headache that I wanted to take, but I thought let me repetize this and see which remedy comes. And to my utter surprise, a very, very rarely used remedy came, which I had also very rarely used, never thought of. The remedy was Solanum tuberosum. Solanum, it is given in our Mater Medica. Solanum, Solanum tuberosum. Solanum tuberosum 200 weekly, one dose for 3 weeks. And I called the patient after 3 weeks. He came that and told that the contractions are still there, but it is much, much better. The severity of pain is much better. Now, even if there is a contraction, even if there is cramps in the calf, I can do my work. The severity and the intensity of pain has reduced. In a course of 4 months' time, everything was cured. Now for that symptom of headache, If you see Solanum tuberosum, there is a symptom headache general from abuse of narcotics, that is also covered in Solanum tuberosum, a very rarely used drug. So if your symptom correspond, the remedy will work, the Similimum will work. This is Solanum tuberosum. You remember only 2-3 symptoms: contraction of the muscles and tendons of fingers and thumbs first, cramps in the legs, cramps in the calf, and headache general after the abuse of narcotics. These are the symptoms which I prescribed for, but one symptom of Solanum which I would like to add. A very rare symptom is written in a Mater Medica, that is of spitting. Spitting through closed teeth means that teeth are closed, the patient tries to spit from the gaps from the teeth. That is written in a Mater Medica, spitting through closed teeth. You must have seen this but never thought of that it is a symptom and a remedy. So my friends, do remember this symptom also, spitting through closed teeth, and of course the symptoms of the cramps and contraction which I told you of Solanum tuberosum. A very short remedy, a very rare remedy, but still something to learn. If you like this video, please do share so that people can learn these rare remedy and use them in the practice. Thank you for hearing the video.